Hi, we're here in Beverly Hills cooking on the Arteflame Grill. If you've ever wanted to cook really convenient meals all on one grill, on one unique surface, this Arteflame is the grill for you. Today, we actually are going to cook a wonderful loaded steak sandwich with bacon, eggs, onions, and cheese. We also have a charred coleslaw, very simple, easy to make, and deliciously crunchy, offer on the sandwich. And to end, we have a wonderful apple turnover with, of course, caramel sea salt ice cream. Doesn't get better than that. Let's start. Okay, so this is really neat idea and really easy to do. So we took 2 apples and chopped them up real fine, and you place them in the aluminum foil. Make sort of a pocket here. And in the meantime, take your bowl and you combine a 1/2 cup of oats, a 1/3 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of sugar. This is actually brown sugar, and the more brown sugar is even better. You want to have the juice of a lemon. You also, this just gives it a lot of freshness. You need a 1/2 stick of butter, which has been melting so nice, because you really want to stir this up really great. You want a teaspoon of nutmeg, cumin, or if you have your own favorite spices, that's great too. We have vanilla and, of course, salt to bring out the flavor. So what you'll want to do is just stir this up, and this might take a few minutes, so we're going to get this all done for you. So when it's all mixed up, you actually just take it and place it over your apple mixture. And you don't even have to mix it all the way that well. It can just be a general, it really melts wonderfully over the grill. You're gonna make a little pocket here. And you're gonna wanna double and triple that up. The heat from the grill is really gonna caramelize it and make it beautiful. I have several pieces of aluminum here. When you pop this open, it's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, when you're satisfied with that, I think this is my last layer. You're literally just gonna pop this on the grill and cook the rest of your meal. Okay, so now we've got our apple turnover cooking, and we're going to start a really great steak sandwich. I have some wonderful bread here that the Arteflame is just gonna toast perfectly. We wanna take our onions, because they actually take a longer period of time, and we're gonna caramelize these onions. Put some bacon on here. And finally the steaks too. Cheese we're going to leave to the end because the cheese goes really fast. You might want to season your steaks with a selection of herbs or spices. I do garlic and onion, and I do oregano and thyme. It's really good with a little salt, pepper. It really adds flavor. Just a little bit. Remember, don't do this before you cook because it actually takes the moisture out of the steak. So we really add it just when we put it on the grill. Okay, as you can see, the onions are caramelizing really nice. The steak is looking beautiful. What I love about this grill is that you can actually put things right in the middle, and if you want a really nice, sheer, hot, and smoky flavor, you can just do it at the end. Beautiful. The bread is nice and toasty, but we'll toast a little bit more. We've got our apple fritter cooking. And let's put the bacon on here too. Let's do a last. Okay, now's the time when you want to put your cheese on here. Look at what I did. I like to use a cheese that melts wonderfully. We notice that when we use cheeses, harder cheeses, they tend to clump into a hard lump. This is actually a Munster cheese, which does really beautifully on the grill. And we'll do our egg. It's all gonna be delectable. Okay, we have a little char on the bread, which is really nice. Of course, you can cook your steak the way you want it. This is a little well done. What I like to do is get the onion on there. Okay. We're gonna put some bacon on top of that. Get our steak right in there. Yum. If it falls off, just lift it back on. And then to top it all off, we've got a beautiful, really nice egg here. And to top it off is the egg. You've got the cheese and the egg. All right. Okay, next we're going to do charred coleslaw for the side. You can actually put it on your steak burger, but we love it on the side too. You just need some chopped red and green cabbage. I actually bought one that had a slaw mix in there with carrots. You need lime juice, half a cup of sugar, salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and cilantro to top it. Very simple and easy. So you want to just put the coleslaw on the grill. It's going to have a nice char to it. Believe it or not, this sugar is going to caramelize on there. It's going to be great. Salt and pepper. We're going to mix this all up. The cilantro will go at the end. You want a little lime juice. Give it that zest. Some olive oil. If you want, you can always add vinegar, apple cider vinegar, whatever you prefer. You can see it's getting really, really lovely brown, light brown color. It's getting charred. The sugar is just caramelizing. A loaded steak sandwich with bacon, eggs, onions, and cheese. We also have a charred coleslaw. Very simple, easy to make, and deliciously crunchy. Offer on the sandwich. And to end, we have a wonderful apple turnover with, of course, caramel sea salt ice cream.